All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive. Yes, that is correct. This is going to be an all-wheel drive Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 146,000 miles and only 2634 idle hours. That is about it on this gorgeous looking vehicle, folks, let me tell you. Original charcoal gray metallic from factory. This was a former state trooper highway patrol unit. Original paint, guys, so this vehicle is gonna have a few little tiny scratches, about 4 door dings, some minor chipping on the hood. I will go ahead and point those out to you as I make my way around the vehicle. Okay, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, ready to go to her new home. We will go through those services in a few minutes here, folks, so bear with me. Let me start right here. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. This is 15% all around. Perfect color combination for this unit right here, folks. I do have 4 holes on the roof. They do have the factory rubber plugs in them, so don't worry, there's no water or air leaking into the cabin. All right, let me close the door here. I just saw this right here. Just saw it. I know that you guys are watching, and one of you guys probably would have said, "Hey Mario, the vehicle doesn't line up. The door is kind of open." Yeah, I know. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's start all over. Vehicle does have parking sensors with a backup camera, factory installed, all factory. Once again, this is gonna be a police interceptor, Ford Explorer right there. And it is going to be an all-wheel drive. That's the backup camera right there with sensors. This is going to be the all-wheel drive vehicle. This vehicle is super sharp. Drives like a dream, folks, let me tell you. Once again, completely serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need anything whatsoever, and she's ready to go. I do have a nice set of Firestone Firehawks tires on this unit, courtesy of the highway patrol. I didn't have to do anything to this vehicle on the tire department, thank God. So yes, you do have what it appears to be new rubber all around. Once again, these are going to be the Firestone Firehawk tires. Super clean. All 4 steel wheels are nice and shiny, very glossy steel. I do have one new good use Unity LED spotlight bulb. I do have folks, let me backtrack here so you guys can see. I do have some cutouts right there on the front bumper cover, possibly from lights or a wraparound push bar. I do have sun chips here. Let me backtrack right here. Sun chips right there, one right there, another one right there. Sorry, some right here. They are small, but guys, let me tell you, they are here, so it's my job to point this out to you. That way you don't tell me I didn't tell you. I didn't mention it in the video, but they are there. Very tiny little chips. I do have a nice set of clear LED headlights on this one, factory LED, so they're nice and bright white when you're driving down the highway. Once again, another hole right there, folks. All right, factory LED lights, super bright when you're driving this vehicle at night. You can see the rubber plugs right here. It's 1, 2, 3, and you have 4 over there on the other side. You guys can see those right there. That is about it. We're gonna go inside real quick, guys. I gotta try to cover as much ground as I can here on this particular unit. The vehicle is complete, doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and guys, ladies and gentlemen, she is ready to go. This is the back portion of the vehicle, what we will call the trunk. I do have a full-size spare tire in the trunk. Floor jack and pan, it's in there. Hold down pan, it's in there, so it is complete. Nice panel on the rear. something that you don't get to see every day on this particular unit. But once again, whoever was assigned to this vehicle, that he or she did an outstanding job taking care of it. So you guys can see I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring, which by the way is in mint condition. It's not abused in any kind of way, shape, or form. No tears, no rips, no nothing. Rear door panels and doors are fully functional from inside and out of the door. I make sure that everything is working on the rear for you guys on this one. So rest assured, you're probably missing the rod here. Don't worry, the doors still open from inside of the car with no issue. They have been tested by me. I do have a nice and comfortable driver's side seat. Passenger side seat is in good shape as well, same as the driver's side. Aftermarket center console there for you, so you do have a cup holder and a little box inside for you guys. I'm losing my train of thought here. Steering wheel is in nice shape. The texture of the steering wheel is very nice, folks. Once again, this vehicle was not beat in any kind of way, shape, or form. Let's get inside. Just so you know, I do have about maybe five keys, 3 key fobs. This is what the vehicle came with. I know it's kind of blurry, but 5 keys, 3 key fobs. Usually, we're lucky to get 1 key, if anything. All right, here we go. Let me clean this up here for you guys. All right, here we go. Let's clear this up. All right, guys. Vehicle does have 146,000 miles with, let me see, 2634 idle hours. That's about it. Something that, once again, we're not used to seeing. Stereo does work. I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work. Air conditioner does work. It's nice and cold on this unit, so everything does work. Okay, hot works. LED lights work. Spotlight by Unity. Map lights do work. Okay, little pocket here for your glasses. Red LED, white LED. Let's close this up. What am I forgetting? I got auxiliary connection, USB connection. I do have 2 cigarette lighters right here for your phones to charge. Cruise control does work, guys. Everything does work on this vehicle. Super nice, super clean. She's ready to go to her new home. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced by me and my team, by myself and my team. So folks, once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great running vehicle. All right, let's go inside the hood real quick and go through the services real quick, guys. The paint looks very sharp. Definitely you will get attention on this vehicle. All right, bear with me here, guys. I do have one hand, so let me see if I can make it all work. Stand by, stand by. Thanks for holding. I am back. All right, so you guys can see my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life. She didn't need much, but they always do a great job making sure that all my cars are looking super squeaky clean. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs with 6 new Motorcraft coils. Okay, so you do have 6 Motorcraft coils with new spark plugs. Fresh 520 full synthetic oil service. Transmission was serviced as well with Mercon LV. This vehicle does have a brand new Motorcraft cabin filter as well. All fluids, coolant, washer fluid was topped off. Brake fluid is fine. I didn't have to do anything to the brakes. Thankfully, the vehicle did come with brand new rotors and brakes from the department all around. Battery day code on this one is I believe 721, so it's still good, fully charged. It's in healthy state condition as it was also tested. All right. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition. Everything has been serviced. I'll go ahead and shut up so you can listen to the engine right now. All right, bear with me here real quick. I'm closing the hood. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Thanks for staying with me and watching this video. All right, folks, once again, this is going to be a 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive with 146,000 miles, all highway miles. This was a former state trooper vehicle. She is in immaculate running condition. I went ahead and went through the vehicle myself all over again. And folks, I keep saying it, I'm setting you up for success on another great running looking vehicle here. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call or text me, and let's see if we can come to some type of agreement. Folks, this is going to be it for me here. This is going to be the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.